Okay, what we're doing in this video here is we're going to go over setting up a blog. So the first thing you have to make sure that you have to set up a blog is a Gmail email account. Okay, and if you don't have one, you can simply use this red button, set up your account. As soon as you have that set up, you're going to log in. I have one of my accounts set up here, and we're just going to sign in. And of course, what it does is it takes you to all of your email. Okay, lots of Facebook likes. Actually, I purchased those. If you want to know how to purchase them, let me know. I have a guy over in Slovenia that does that for me. So once you're in here, you want to create your blog. You go up to More, and you're going to go down to Blogger, and it's going to just come right in, confirm your profile. So it's just confirming that this exactly is who I am and all of that. And then I'm going to click here, Continue to Blogger. And right here, see, I have no blogs in here yet, so it's going to be New Blog. And I'm going to create a title. And so for this one, I'm going to say the title is, well, I don't know. I really didn't think about it. And this is really just a test, blah, 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 RCCV2. Okay, so real big key here is that you do have RCCV2 in the title. And also in the address as well, you want to make sure that you have RCCV2. So this one could be success with rccv2.blogspot. Okay, so very simple, just something that you're going to be able to give to people. Of course, I would get your own personal domain name with JoJo Domains and then forward that to this. But you're choosing this is going to be your actual address. This is the title for your blog, and then you're going to choose any one of these themes. The best kind of blogs are light in color with dark text, not black with light text. I'm just going to leave it here on this normal one, and I'm going to create my blog. So there, it's created, and you see my blog, blah, 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 RCCV2. So now what you want to do is you want to start posting, and this orange button with the pencil creates your post. And what you want to do is you want to choose a good subject to write about. So what that might be is you want to say you want to write about how to get started in RCCV2. Or it could be, oops, up here at the post title, how to get started in RCCV2. And then what you might want to do here for the time being is also include Rocket Cache Cycler. That way you're looking for both of these keywords to rank on the search engines, okay? So now that we have our post title, then we want to go ahead and here, we just type in our text. And it's good to have, I would say, at least 250 words. 400 words is even better. So if another good idea is you can actually type this out in a Word, Microsoft Word, because then they keep track of how many words are in your thing. But so say here you want to say go to my company site, or check out my company site, discover how to get started, all of these different things. And then what you do, of course, is highlight that and choose this link, and that's where you're going to go ahead and put in a web address. Now what I would recommend is that you actually use the lead capture page that you have with our team, leadcapturepageboss.com/bill web address. Open this in a new window, and you could do no follow, it doesn't really matter, and then click OK. Okay, so what happens here is now that's going to be in your blog post, and it's going to go to your company site. Another good thing to have in your blog post, of course, is pictures. So what I do to get my pictures is, say I go to Google, right? And then I'm just going to put in Rocket Cache Cycler. And what I'm going to do is go to images here and say I want to get this image right here. So I go here, I right click on it. I'm going to say save image as. I'm going to put it right on my desktop. That way it's easy for me to find. And then here I'm going to put add image. And I'm going to upload the image, choose my file. So I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to find that image, and it was like Rocket 11. And here it is here. So I'm going to double click on it. It's going to upload. And there it is. So I'm going to add the selected image. And there we have it. So this is letting me choose the size of it. It's also going to let me choose where to place it. If I want to put it over here on the right side, I could make it large, small, whatever I want, right? So say I actually want to go to the right, and I'm going to have my text wrap around here on the side. So now what I can also do, of course, is I can go ahead and click on that, and then I can also hyperlink that to go to my company site as well. Okay, so there's a lot of different things you can do in setting it up, but the main thing is that you have your text on there, at least one image, and a real key is in your text, again, you want to use RCC v2 at least once for every 100 words. Okay, and then think about other terms that people would normally be typing into Google. And even when you go, say here to Google, if I start typing in Rocket Cache Cycler, you see that it actually starts giving me suggestions. So Rocket Cache Cycler, Rocket Cache Cycler 4-step plan. I think you're also going to find stuff like Rocket Cache Cycler. Oops, it was actually giving me some good stuff there. Oh, it's not suggesting anything. There we go. Scam, login, system. You see, so these are things that people are typing in because now Google has the intelligence to know what people are looking for. So what you do is you take something like Rocket Cache Cycler scam. Okay, so that would be another good blog post title. Learn more about the Rocket Cache Cycler scam, right? And so what's going to happen, and over here I'm going to actually put RCC v2 in parentheses because I want that title in there. And then say my blog post is 400 words. I'm going to put this phrase, Rocket Cache Cycler scam, at least 4 times in here. And another key for doing that, so say I want it, so say it's like, and I tell you what, don't let me confuse you, but basically as long as you get this in here, you're going to rank. Right now, RCC v2, there's no competition. So you want to get it in there and then bold it. Another time when you have it in there, don't bold it, but make it italicized, okay? And what happens is Google sees that this is, what your thing is about, and they're going to put that as a priority for this particular keyword, okay? So you're writing your post, and that's what you got there. That's really it. So once you have it done, then you click on Publish. This is going to be sharing on your Google Plus account. I am not going to share it because it's not a very good post, because I'm just showing you what to do. But now I can go ahead and click on my post and do preview, and this is what people are going to see if they come to my page from the internet. They're going to see my image, they're going to see my text, they can actually share it, so you get viral traffic here on the big social networks. They can subscribe to your RSS feed. So it's really cool. And Blogspot, because it's owned by Google, it has authority with the search engines, and it's going to get you ranked. So that's pretty much it. Make sure you have a Gmail account. Once you go to your Gmail account, you go to More, go down to Blogger, set up your blog, and start posting. And if you can post once every 2 days or every 3 days, or even if you can do something every day, one thing you do is when the company sends out a newsletter, just copy that, paste it in here. Anything to get some value. If you have an experience with somebody, or whatever it might be, just post in here, because content is king. Content is what Google loves. Content is what's going to get you ranked. You might have some questions about this, but I think that's a pretty good tutorial on what it takes to do it. Otherwise, it's just knocking it out, taking 15-20 minutes each day and typing something out. If you're a slow typer, it's going to be a little frustrating. But if you're a good typer, it's going to go pretty smooth. And of course, if you have stuff in your head, and and it doesn't have to be a term paper. I mean, this isn't a dissertation, for a PhD. This is just typing something up that the search engines are going to pick up and get you ranked on Google, so that you can get some of that traffic. Okay? So that's it.